Hi everyone, this is MS Excel lesson 2. Again introduction, same things but in another way, and I prefer to use this video on a larger screen like laptop or desktop. If you are using this video on smartphone or tablet, you may not be able to see everything clearly. In the file I will provide for exercise, we have two sheets, sample and exercise. This is the sample. We have to solve these 6 problems. Let me start from right side. In the first row, text making 45-degree angle. The text in the first row should be at an angle. This is x square. This the 2 and exponent is called superscript. For this you have to write x2 and then highlight 2 and make it superscript, just like this, x2. Okay, click here, double click here or click here and highlight 2. Now right click on 2 and choose format cells. Okay, this is how to do it. Another pattern, look at these cells, just color here, there is a pattern. You have to use this kind of pattern or any kind of pattern. Number 4, subscript. This 2 and 4 just below, this is called subscript. Again you have to write, just type H2SO4, a chemical formula, and you can do it from here by double click or click here, highlight this 4 or select this 4, right click on this, go to format cells. This is the way to do it. Another is decimal points, 3 decimal points, 2 decimal points, but in this 3 decimal points. Another this, look at these lines, like these lines, these are called grid lines, but look at these lines that we draw from here. There is a difference between these two lines. The grid lines will not be shown in printout, so and the other lines that we draw, that should be seen in print layout or print preview. So if you don't draw any line here in print preview or in printed format, you will not see any line like this. So you have to draw lines but remove these lines. Look at this, between these two cells no line, between these two cells no line. Actually between these the middle line is not here. There is a grid line but cannot be seen in print preview. Look at this. Look at this, there is no line between these two cells in print preview. Other lines can be seen. Look at these lines, these are grid lines and are not printed. If you want to print lines, you have to draw them. Okay, so this is the sample and here you have to do the same things. That is our job. Now we learn these things from our presentation. Let me start recording narration. I'm using 2007 version of MS Office. Other way to format cells. First of all, you have to highlight cells. I have highlighted these cells, or select cells and right click anywhere in these cells. Then you will see this pop-up menu. From here you will choose format cells. Step number 1, highlight cells. Yes, these highlighted cells. Step number 2, sorry, this is still step number 1. Okay, step number 2, right click or click right button of mouse anywhere here in these highlighted or selected cells. Choose format. In the pop-up menu, you will choose format cells. It is here. This number third go together. Okay, what you will see next, there are tabs, number, and there are many options here. One is decimal point, journal, number, currency, date, time, percentage, everything. Alignment, top alignment and vertical alignment and horizontal alignment. Font, borders, the lines. Fill, the fill that contain options about patterns, and alignment contain the option about writing text within an angle. So we are focusing on number. From here we will control decimal places, but here choose number. Okay, number and number here again, not general. There are many options here. Horizontal and vertical alignments. Again, highlight or choose cells like these. Right click those cells, choose format cells, and you will see this format cells. We have done number. Now alignment. Here are horizontal alignment, left, right and center. Vertical alignment, top, bottom and center. And here these other three options. One is merging cells and shrink to fit, etc. Here this is the option from where we control the angle of the writing. Here I have written 45. The 0 degree means horizontal, like normal. Increasing the angle will move it. Just these are important options. And this, write with an angle. Change the angle and you will see the writing in different way. Example of writing with angle. First highlight or select the cells you want to change. For every format you have to highlight the cells. And this is the result. Look at this writing in white color. This writing now making an angle, not horizontal. Fonts, different kind of fonts. Again, go to format cells and here fonts. Bold, italic, sizes, everything. Underline, these are important. Strike through, it draw a line. And this superscript in power, subscript just below it. These are color of text, not background color. This superscript, this subscript from here. Okay, example, X square. Yes, go to borders. You can choose from borders different ways. If you click this, it will draw a line above every cell. If you remove it, there will be no line. If you click this, it will draw line horizontally between cells. It will draw the bottom lines. You can draw in this way also, diagonally. And these are left, this right, and this in the middle. Again, this will draw line horizontally, diagonally, sorry, in this way. You can change the style of the line and color of the line. This is how to fill color and patterns from fill. This is fill. But before you apply any option or format, you have to choose or select cells. This is example. This one is example, the result. Thank you very much for watching this. Now do it here. Okay, this is the file I will provide. Exercise, do it here. This is sample and do it here. Now there is another lesson which is easier. talk about these are the tasks given to do: hide and unhide columns and rows. You have to do these tasks. Okay, do it here anywhere in the same sheet. Let me do from here. Hide columns, hide rows, and then unhide columns, unhide rows. It's very easy. Hide column C. This is column C. This one. Right click on column C and choose hide. Right click and choose hide. Now hide row number 6. Right click on row number 6 and choose hide. For many columns or many rows, highlight all them. This is the result. This column A, column B, column C, column D. Where is column C? Row number 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 7. Where is column 6? Okay. How to unhide? Unhide column C. Click on B and drag it to D, or click on D, drag it to B, so that the columns to left and right are selected, and then right click. You will see this pop-up menu. Choose unhide. In the same way, click on 5, drag to 7, or click on 7, drag to 5, so that you will highlight the rows above and below the one which is hidden. Now right click anywhere in these two. You will see this pop-up menu. Choose unhide. Click anywhere in 5 or 7. You will see this pop-up menu. Choose unhide. For many rows or many columns, highlight or select all of them. This is the result. Again, here column C and here column 6. There is a problem. Let me show you here. Let me hide this. Right click and hide. Column C is hidden. Now I want to hide these 2 or 3. Right click and hide. Now to unhide, highlight this. Right click, unhide. The problems come with the first row or first column. Hide. How to unhide? If you click first here, it will select all of the worksheet. You cannot. So click on B and drag to this. Now right click and choose unhide. Similarly, if you hide 1 or 2 or 3 connected with this first one, so hide. If you click here first and drag it here, you cannot. Maybe there is unhide, yes, but it will unhide all of the columns, all of the rows. This is not a good way. So do it in this way. Let me hide this. I want to hide only these. Click on 4, go up, unhide. Okay, thank you very much. Let me see if there is anything else. What else in another lesson 4? Column width. Here we have column width and row height. Change width of column and height of rows. Very easy. Right click on the column and choose column width, or drag it from the right border. not from the left. If you want to change the column of B, you come to right side, right border, and move it from here, left to right. If you want to move it from this left border, it will affect A and not B. In case of doing with many, highlight them all. So right click on B and choose column width. I have selected B and C together, and here enter endpoints. The width changed. Another way to do it, right border. Bring mouse cursor to right border, it become double-headed arrow, and then drag it from here. Height in the same way, right click on one row or many rows and choose row height, or from this bottom border, drag it from the bottom border. From bottom border here, bring the cursor, the mouse pointer become double-headed arrow, and drag it from here. These are the two methods. Yes. Thank you very much.